Who's there?
Looks like I found
You're right, sweetie. Keep moving, it's right left.
It's a good day to get things done.
So you're what's rustling around.
Sure I'd get some time to practice that.
I could spend my tickets on bullets or bookmakers. I know the better venture. Hey, you that fresh-faced Gaunt mentioned? You trying to sound tough, sweetie? Well, I've no time for that right now. We got hit hard just there, but we managed to kill or capture every attacker, except one. I noticed a scout hang back and leg it when things swung our way. If they're bringing back up from the Isle of Dogs, we could be toast. I need you to stop them. They look to be beelining for the comm station north of here. I've got someone to trip the power on it remotely, but that'll only hold them so long. Go snuff out the Hornet before it brings back the nest. The scout was a young lass. Denim fatigue, spiky hair. Should be easy to spot. Now go. If you need medical attention, I can take a look at you. But I can't do miracles. And wipe those questions off your tongue. We've got no time for that. Didn't your mum teach you better? Touch me again and there'll be consequences.
If I'm watching you, at least two others are doing the same. Don't try nothing.